have a busy social life. I go out most nights after work with friends. Last night, I went out for a meal with an old friend from university. It was really good to see her. Tell me about your social life. Do you go out a lot?
I do go out quite a lot, yeah. I like to go out to bars, and I quite like going to friends' houses and having dinner and things like that.
I like to go to the cinema, and I think the last movie I saw was The Hangover. It was very funny. And I like to go to the theatre also.
No, we don't go out a lot. Possibly weekends, go out for meals or something.
Not too regular. Weekends, play golf, and socialise afterwards.
During the day we do. In the evening, no, we don't.
My friends and I like to go out quite a lot. We go clubbing, we go to discos.
Yes, I go out sometimes in the village. We live in a small village, so a lot of our social life is in the village. So we go out to friends' houses, go to parties, go to the pub.
Not so much, but I like it a lot. I like to go to the theatre, to the cinema, meet friends, eat out.
Sometimes I go out for a couple of drinks with some good friends, but not very often, a couple times a month maybe.
Did you go out last night?
We went to this club in Piccadilly Circus and we danced all night. We had a few drinks, but then mostly dancing. And there was a few guys there and they're really cute and we talked to them.
We had dinner in an Italian restaurant by Tower Bridge, and it was lovely. We had a lovely evening of just looking at the river and enjoying the view and enjoying lots of fun with the family.
Well, I went to the cinema, seeing the last Harry Potter film, which I enjoyed a lot. And afterwards I met some friends for a drink in town.
We went to see Mamma Mia at the Prince of Wales Theatre. It was excellent.
We went to the theatre. We saw a play by Tom Stoppard called Arcadia, which was extremely interesting and we enjoyed it very much. Afterwards, we went with friends for a meal. We had a Spanish tapas type meal, which was extremely enjoyable.
Last night I went to Westfield Shopping Centre, which is in the west of London, and I enjoyed a delicious meal there.
Last night I went to a friend of mine's house, which is in South London, and we went out and went to a fish and chip shop, bought some fish and chips and went home and had that with a beer in front of the television.